Hello, my name is Nathan from FTC Team Uplift Robotics, and I'm going to show you how to create and edit avatars in Scratch. Once you're in your project, you can go to Costumes. When in Costumes, this is where you'll be able to paint your avatar. So we're going to start with the face. I'm going to make the face of this avatar yellow and make the outline black. To control the width of your outline, you can change this number. Now that we have the head or face, we can move to the eyes. You're going to go to the bottom right hand corner where if you hover over it, it says choose a sprite, and you're going to go up to the paintbrush and click paint. Now once we're here, we're going to make the first fill color white and keep the outline at 1. Now you guys can change this any way you want, but this is just how I'm going to create this. So we're going to create the eyes. So what you can also do is when clicking the arrow, you can click on the circle and copy and paste it. Or you can use Control-C and Control-V. Now, we realize if you look at the top right that our eyes are bigger than the head. So we can go back and we can increase the size of the head. Then we can go back to the eyes and line them up. You can also use the arrow keys to use more precise measurements. Then we're going to do another circle and make this fill. I'm just going to start with blue. So now we have our eyes. Then we're going to do our mouth. Now you're going to do the same thing and create a new sprite. So we're going to click on the line over here, and we can just draw a line. Then, once you have the line, also up here, you can use to erase things that you previously did. And with this arrow, you can create new points on this line to bend the line. Now, let's line it up. Now you could make this more neat than what I did, but this is just what I'm going to do. There we go, so now we have our face. Now the next step is we're going to go back to the head, and we're going to go to the bottom left and create more costumes. So we're going to click the paintbrush again. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, Control C, and Control V. Then I'm going to change the color. So let's do green. And we're going to keep doing this, and you can do this for as many as you would like. Now I'm just going to do 3 colors. So now we have 3 color options for the head. And now we're going to do the same for the eyes. We're going to click Control C and Control V, and we're going to change the color of the eyes. Let's do red. You got creepy eyes. Now you can do that again. And we'll make these ones orange. Actually, let's make them blue or purple. Alright, so you can also see the number up here. So this number is 83. So to match that, we can make this one also 83. So now we have blue, red, and purple eyes. Now we're going to move on to the mouth. So for the mouth, you don't necessarily have to change the color, but you can change the shape. So I'm just going to make this a frown. Now he's sad. For this next step, you're going to create 3 more sprites. Now we're going to click on this first one, and we're going to use the text box and make the color letters red. And we're going to type face. Then we're going to line this up with the head on the top. Then we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it in the next one, and we're going to name this eyes, and we're going to move it down so that it's not on top of the other one. Then we're going to do the same thing, copy it, move it to the next one, and name this one mouth. And then move it down so it's not on top. For the next step, we're going to start coding. So you're going to go back to the first sprite, and you're going to go to code. Now once you're here, you're going to go to event, which is one of the orange ones, and you're going to go to when I receive. Now you're going to go to the message ones, and click new message, and type face. Then you're going to go to looks, and put next costume right under it. So how this works is, this is going to work is when someone clicks on the face over here, up here, this face button is going to it's going to broadcast face, which this is then going to receive, and go to the next costume. So to finish this, you're going to go then to the face lettering, and you're going to go to the events and do when this sprite is clicked, it is going to broadcast face. So let's try this out. There you go. Now it's changing colors. So we're going to do this with all of them. Let's go to the eyes. It's going to go to events. And we're going to go to when I receive. And change this to new message. Eyes, and it is going to go to the next costume. Now you're going to go to eyes, you're going to go to events and click when this sprite is clicked, it is going to broadcast eyes. I'm going to do the same thing again with the mouth. Go. When I receive. Mouth. It will go to the next costume. Then go to the mouth lettering and do the same thing as you've done with the other ones. Okay. When this sprite is clicked, it'll broadcast mouth. So let's try this out. Let me click on face. Let's give it a second. There we go. It's changing. Now let's try this with eyes. We have all the eyes changing, and mouth. From a frown to a smile. There we go. Now for the last and final step for creating your avatar, you're going to create one last sprite. In here, you are going to copy one of these, or you can make this look however you want, but I'm just going to copy this one. And name this random. Then we're going to move this up to the top right. Or you can move this wherever you would like. So the plan for this is that when you click on the random sprite, it's going to have all three of these, the eyes, the mouth, and the head, go to a random color shape option. So for the programming for this, all you're going to do is the same thing that you did for the other ones. So when this sprite is clicked, it is going to broadcast random. So let's go to the head. For this, it is a longer program than what we have been doing, but isn't too difficult. So we're going to have this go to when I receive random. It is going to go to the next costume. And then it is going to wait. We're going to change this to 0.1 seconds. And then it is going to repeat this 10 times. Now, it is the next thing is also going to go to the next costume and then wait 0.1 seconds. But this is going to repeat for either 1 to 4. So once you go to the operators, you're going to go to the pick random 1 through whatever number you would like. And for this, I'm going to pick 4. So now that you have this program, you can drag this and you can drop it in the eyes and the mouth. So that way, all 3 of these have this program. So let's test this out. There we go. Now it just picked a random selection of the 3 options. So there you have it. There is your avatar. Now you can make this way more advanced and have way more options than what I did, but this is your basic avatar. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more Scratch videos.